Looking for a sponsorship job in NHS? Then this is the day. This morning it was 10,000, whereas turning to be evening, it turned to be 11,800 plus. The date is 16th for 2026. Which means every minute they are increasing the opportunities. Simple mechanism, sit down, open up your computer, open your eyes, search for a keyword care assistant job. You will see plenty, thousands. One of the criteria to meet, essential criteria to meet is RQF level 3 or NVQ level 3. So do not miss this chance. So if you're looking for a proper visa mechanism to work with the government service, this is the right day. Now, any doubt, contact me, contact us. Welfare Academy is open, widely open. We can support you for NVQ level 3, job opportunities. We do have training mechanism. Within 1 month time, you are out there with NHS uniform. Dream it, you will get it.